Do you know you can use an analog clock on your lock screen on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Let me show you how. First, tap and hold an empty area on your home screen. Then tap Wallpaper and Style. Tap the lock screen preview. Then tap the clock. While you are in the font and color tab, choose a font style you like. Then switch to the Style tab. Swipe through the option and select an analog clock. However, if you don't see it, try changing the font style first, since not all styles support analog clock. Once you are done, tap Done. And that's how you use an analog clock on the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.